Fanimals, welcome back to Fanimal Central, it's me Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you how to do this gory blood mask with no latex. The first thing I'm going to do is conceal my eyebrows. Now if you want to see my versus review on the soap scum method and the glue stick method, click on the eye above. Now I'm going to take some Res Snazzery face paint and outline where I want the mask to be. Now I'm taking some fake blood that I just got from a Halloween shop and I'm going to sponge it all over where I put the Snazzaroo. Then I'm going to separate the layers of toilet roll so they're in thinner sheets, and I'm going to rip it so every edge is jagged. And because the fake blood is sticky, the ripped tissue should stick to my face with ease. This technique is very similar to paper mache. Once I was happy with the amount of layers I had, I took some purple and brown eyeshadow and applied it along the perimeter of my mask, making it look like my skin was irritated, bruised, and just dirty. Stay away from black eyeshadow unless you want a specific, harsh line. That's it for this video, Fanimals. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please like, comment, hit that subscriber button, become one of our Fanimals, and remember, always be a Fanimal of your animals. Happy Halloween!